Okay, guys. So today we're gonna go ahead and go do something. Okay. Today we're going to go to exotic snack, guys, to see what do we have with it. See what do we have. So okay. My phone's better die soon. Wow, this is fun. This is fun. Ho 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 ho. This is fun. Very good. Very good. I am going to the exotic snack, guys. Got some good snacks. I got a minion soda. How you get that at last? Minions. Really? $24. On the back.
Yeah. Wait.
Check the
Do you have cash?
Yeah, sure.
Do you insert cash?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's $24.69.
$24.69. Okay. I have a change. I have enough. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here, you can reduce and count it. We'll count it. Count it. Oh, sorry. Count the money. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so I got some snacks. Okay, guys, so I got some snacks that you got. We got some SpongeBob and Minions. So we got Minion Kinder Cola. Yeah, Kinder Soda. This is from like soda. I never drank it before. So we got SpongeBob Krabby Patty Secret Menu Challenge. And the last but not least, Lay's potato chips with banana is the Minions. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Bye-bye.